Hello everyone. Welcome to Magical Stocks channel, where we make trading stress-free. PSE index went up from 7,270.36 last February 11, 2022, to 7,418.79 this February 18, 2022. This performance is equivalent to a 2.04% increase in the index for the week. Our magical stocks also went up from 877.28k pesos to 890.37k pesos, or a 1.49% increase in our investment. Overall, our magical stocks profit went up from 176.47k pesos to 189.55k pesos. We set a new record again for our investment. The previous record held was 176.47k pesos last week, February 11, 2022. For this week, our investment is earning 189.55k pesos or 27.05% profit. We will update the two batches of magical stocks together with the conclusion of the February 2021 experimental magical stocks for this week's video. We will also share the screening for February 2022. Before we proceed with our update, and if you are interested in investing using our magical stocks or monitoring our system's effectiveness, please like this channel, subscribe and hit the notification button to keep you updated weekly. We concluded the February 2021 experimental magical stocks with a 12.01% gain and a gap advantage with the market of 4.89%. We are successful in this experiment. We also screened 5 stocks for this month of February 2022. We are targeting to buy these stocks in the coming weeks and sell them on our target selling price or after 1 year. If you are going to invest in these stocks, please be guided with the buying and selling plan. Also, please trade at your own risk. These are the stocks that passed our screening for February 2022. Number 1, LTG or LT Group, Incorporated. Number 2, VLL or Vista Land and Lifescapes, Incorporated. Number 3, FGen or First Gen Corporation. Number 4, SGP or Synergy Grid and Development Philippines, Incorporated. Number 5, AGI or Alliance Global Group, Incorporated. Again, please trade at your own risk. For our magical stocks update, here is the worksheet for our two batches of magical stocks. Our top performer is AP gaining 7.2%, while the least performer is TEL losing -2.62%. We still don't have any sell signal for our magical stocks. We already sold our first batch and we were successful by earning 32.78%, which is above our target of 30%. We also already sold our second batch and we were successful by earning 33.46%, which is above our target of 30%. Our third batch is below the market with a gap of -5.15% this February 18, 2022, coming from -3.05% last February 11, 2022. Our fourth batch is above the market with a gap of 12.16% this February 18, 2022, coming from 13.03% last February 11, 2022. To summarize our investment, the first batch was sold and earned 49,630.94 pesos. The second batch was sold and earned 63,435.65 pesos. The third batch is gaining by 10.49%, coming from 10.28%. The fourth batch is gaining by 19.46%, coming from 18.18%. Overall, with an investment of 700.82k pesos, our investment's current value is 890.37k pesos, equivalent to 27.05%, coming from 25.18%. We have profited in our first batch, also profited in our second batch, a gaining third batch and a gaining fourth batch. That will be all for the magical stocks update this week. Thank you for watching. Next week, we will continue updating the other two batches of magical stocks and the other 5 experimental stocks. Quote, letting losses run is the most serious mistake made by most investors. Unquote. William O'Neill. See you in the following video. Have a great day ahead.